Alright, man, here go another light slight video, man. Super light. You see, I ain't sweats, basketball shorts. I mean, basketball shorts, t-shirt, whatever. Anyway, man, y'all see, got the Fusion out. You know, we got the, you know what I'm saying, big red eye out. If you ain't seen the rap video, go check that out. I'm also still working on this car as well, so I haven't been driving it much because I'm trying to get the things done to it still. Did just pick it up yesterday. Got the windows tints all the way around. Nothing too dark. I did tint the front window. Definitely looks way better. I got ceramic tint on the sides and the rear, and then on the front just got the regular tint, but it is tinted. Got 15 around, 50 on the front. But nonetheless, man, I'm about to install this intake on this car now. So far, you see I added the rims. I switched out the calipers, rotors, brake pads, and I did add my, you know, decals, bam. You see right here, my own Hellcat daily. I'll stay tuned, man. Got third car coming to the channel in the next month or two. So definitely stay tuned for that. But about to get ready to open this box. I only seen like one video pretty much with this install. So I mean, I'm about to freestyle this install. Y'all stay tuned, man. Y'all see, if you haven't seen this car review, you go check that out if you want to see everything in it. But go ahead and start this install now. All right, so this is everything that comes in the box. You got your filter, you got your screws and instructions right here. I guess just whatever y'all see, man. You got this rubber piece that goes on the heat shield or wherever you want to call that. And then you got your look, man, I don't know names of these parts, man. All I know is Mopar. But y'all see, man, y'all see, you got the thing. I know the sensor part goes in here. This goes on here. This goes on here. Blah, 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 blah. And that's everything that came in the box. Now, this is pretty much the factory intake, stock intake, whatever you call it. This is it right here. So I'm pretty much removing this part right here from what I'm seeing. I double check and go watch the video again. But nonetheless, man, you don't need no too crazy tools. You need just, you know, flathead screwdriver, socket wrench that take these pieces off. So I'm gonna get ready and get started with that. Definitely, you know, read the instructions on this. Most videos I do on installs, you don't really need the instructions. You pretty much watch my video from start to finish. But because I never did a car like this or a mod like this on this car, it's totally different. It's not the same as the you know, Dodge Mopar stuff. So about to look at the instructions. I will go over what I'm doing to the car, so yeah, stay tuned, man. All right, so the first thing you want to do is disconnect the mass air meter right here. Just want to pull up on this red tab and then press this black tab down, and this is going to pull right off. So that's the first thing you want to do right there, is disconnect this from there. All right, so the next thing you want to do is remove the bolt that holds this part down, and that's going to be down here. Now you're going to need an extension. This is 10mm size right here, and you're gonna need an extension to pretty much get this all the way down here. So that's the next step. So you just gotta loosen that bolt right there off. All right, so I loosened the bolt and I just removed the clamp. This is gonna be difficult because it's not held on by like a screw like this one. It's like one of these factory ones where it's on top. Like, it's like, yeah, you pretty much gotta break it or just keep torquing it and bend it up and get it off. So got that part off, so I'm pretty much sure I could just lift this piece up. Yeah, so I'm about to get this piece off and then I'll put the camera back up. Okay, so that first bolt I loosened. Not for sure why I had to be loosened right now, because that wasn't even part of it, but I'll find out later. But pretty much it was just a clamp and unhooking this, and it was this cord attached to it, but you don't need that. So I did that, got this out. So I'm pretty much got to remove the meter right here. So that's what I'm about to do right now. Okay, so I just removed the meter from here and attached it to the new piece. Now, just to let you know, it's impossible to put it on here incorrectly because you got it upside down. The holes will not line up. So it's only one way to put it on. You're gonna know that because you're only gonna be able to put the screws on when it's in here the right way. Okay, so you actually don't have to really loosen this bolt. They was telling you that because you need to pull out one of the rubber pieces from here. I was able to basically pull that out without loosening this up and taking the whole thing off, because that bolt is pretty much gonna go on the bottom of this right here. So you only need to remove the one from this spot right here. Those other ones are going to stay right here. You don't even need to loosen the bolts to take that out. You just squeeze that piece out. So that's why I did, and I replaced that piece on here. So yeah. All right, so now I'm about to take this rubber piece right here, you see, and pretty much line it around this. That's how much they give you. I think it's a little extra, so you have to cut it at the end, but nonetheless, I'm gonna show you what it looks like once I get done putting this on here. All right, so you see I got the black rubber trim around, all the way around. End up having to cut just a little piece off, you see right there. So that's all the way on there now. All right, so next thing you wanna do is you wanna take these 4 bolts right here, and you're gonna basically be putting this on this side right here. You're gonna put the green bracket right here, line it up to the hose, and this part will be going on there. So this, the green, put the screws to it, and it's gonna be screwing into this part right here. So about to assemble that. I'm gonna show you what it looks like when I'm done. Okay, so you see I got it fully assembled now. Now make sure you got the plug right here facing this way. I mean, if you look at it, you see how I got set up. It needs to be set up pretty much the same exact way. It needs to be put in this way. Now, it's honestly only going to screw in that way anyway, because like I say, the hose will not line up if it's in the wrong direction. Now, here's the filter right here. The filter is going to go right on here, and you're going to tighten up the hose clamp, tighten that part on. So now, pretty much already removed this. This part's gonna come right in here. Now from what I'm seeing is I may have to go buy a new clamp, because if I can't get this one back on, which I believe I have an extra one, I gotta check. You want to have one with just a screw part anyway, not this shit. So I'm about to put this part in here. Like I said, I may have to go buy a hose clamp. Hopefully I got one in the box back there, but it's gonna be pretty much a drop in. I'm gonna put the filter part on last because it's already room allotted to put that part on. So after you assemble this and you did everything I did prior to this step right here, you're gonna pretty much get this part in here. Now I only got 2 hands, so I'm gonna record myself trying to get this part in here. I will show you what it looks like once I get this in here. You basically need to get this hose onto here, and then once you get that, you're gonna plug this into here, and I'll show you that once I get this in there. Okay, so you see I got it all the way in there, and you want to make sure this part, this is where that piece with the rubber garment is on, so you want to make sure you push that down and know that's pressed in the hole. That's pretty much how it's going to look right here. Now like I said, let me see, I could probably put this clamp back on, and I'll probably buy, yeah, I'll buy one with the screw, because I'm going to have to go to AutoZone. Gotta move this car. Yeah, I just drive this AutoZone, buy one with the screw. I'm gonna show you how it look with the filter. I'm about to go ahead and put the filter in here and screw that part back in here. All right, so you see I got it bolted all in, tighten this part up. Now this is just too messed up, so I'm actually just about to drive to AutoZone, buy a new clamp, and once I put that clamp on there, it's gonna be pretty much it for the install. So it's gonna be pretty much the end of the video. Now this actually was quick. I seen the guy, what he did is basically built the box first and then removed the stuff. It really don't matter. You watch my whole video, I pretty much put all the steps in there from start to finish on the way I did it. You can follow that way, build a box, then remove the factory box right here, and then put it in. It don't matter, there's only a couple of steps. It does come with instructions in here, so yeah, definitely just overlook those, and then, you know, right there, nothing much to it. They do sell these with a tuner kit. I mean, it's an old Fusion. I pretty much just did this video because I'm just, whatever I do to the car, I'm doing a video on. Stay tuned, because I'm still working on a video that's like 3 or 4 parts to it, waiting to get that radio installed. But nonetheless, man, y'all already know, got the install done. Got the big red eye right here, man. I'm telling y'all, I'm about to get, I'm gonna go ahead and tell you, just because if you watch the channel, you should know first, because I ain't posting on Instagram. I'm about to get a truck that can haul a car, so definitely stay tuned for that. I'm gonna get it next month or the month after then. Like I said, I got my daily, got my race car, about to give me a truck so I have to haul the car if I want to, or just, you know, room to put something in the back, man. The problem with this car is a 2-door coupe. Don't got a lot of room in the trunk, you know, for good stuff, like, you know, basic stuff. But if I need to haul like something big, it can't fit in here. I bought my daily 4-door to get, you know, from A to B, and then, you know, haul the kids around. But now I'm about to get me a truck, you know what I'm saying? Because I may want to go to California, don't want to drive this, haul it there, let it off the trailer, drive around California, bring it back. But that's it for the video, man. Steeda coda intake install on 2010 Ford Fusion V6 all-wheel drive, and it is flex fuel. So I forgot to tell you at the beginning, but this pretty much is 2010 Ford Fusion all-wheel drive flex fuel V6 version, man. That's pretty much it. I'm out.
Was on my grind, it was my time, I ain't think twice, I paid that price and we did this, nigga. Police storm at me, charges never stick. Fucking niggas up in Vegas, pocket 96, left past.